Good evening, respected teachers, fellow debaters, and distinguished guests. My name is Humaira, and I proudly represent the Agaz batch at Usmaniya Career Institute. Today, I want to shed light on the benefits of private school. Private school provide a higher quality of education due to their smaller class sizes, better resources, and curriculum flexibility.
Good evening, everyone. My name is Azka Siddiqui, passionate learner from the Agaz batch at Usmaniya Career Institute. While private schools have their merits, let's not forget the vital role that government schools play in providing accessible and affordable education for all, promoting inclusivity and addressing societal inequalities.
But Ms. Azka, private school often have smaller class sizes which allow for more personalized attention. Is not that crucial for effective learning?
Indeed, smaller class sizes can be advantageous, but government schools serve a broader demographic and promote social integration, fostering diversity and tolerance among students.
Private schools also tend to have better facilities and resources, offering students a more enriched learning environment.
While that's true, government schools receive public funding, making education affordable and accessible to a wider range of students, regardless of their financial background.
Private schools have the freedom to innovate in their teaching methods and tailor their curriculum to student needs. This flexibility can lead to a better overall education, rounded education.
Government school may have a standardized curricula, but this ensures accountability and prevent potential bias in education. They serve the greater good by adhering to established educational standards.
Private schools also encourage healthy competition, pushing government schools to improve their standard. Competition can lead to better overall education quality.
Competition can be beneficial, but it should not come in the expense of accessible education for all. Government schools work toward equalizing educational opportunities, which is a fundamental societal goal.
In conclusion, private schools offer unique advantages that benefit many students. They provide personalized attention, better resources, and encourage competition, ultimately improving education as a whole.
Government schools are the bedrock of our society system, offering inclusivity, affordability, accountability, and a commitment to addressing societal inequalities. They serve the broader interest of our society by providing accessible education for all. Thank you.